Hello everyone, what's up? This is Tony MRXZ. Welcome to new channel which is Coffee Codes by MRXZ. So in this channel we'll learn about tech talks and latest information about AI. Also some coding techniques or some coding things. Okay. So in this video we're gonna learn about how to code a website which is same as mine, like just code my website. This website is of my own idea, which is taken from the Discord's UI and just updated it with some elements and effects and all. This is very simple website, anyone can do it. So let's get into the video. So now we'll launch the Visual Studio Code. If you haven't set up the Visual Studio Code yet, just go and set up and make your folder. So this is the folder, something. Now we'll create a file which is called index.html. Index.html. Now I also create a file called style or styles.css. So now we'll start coding. So the basic thing, doc type, html, so this is the basic structure of the, the starting of the website. Here is the icon of the website. This one, you can see this, right? That is the icon of the website. You need to keep the icon of your website in here. Let me add all my files. Okay, so I have added all these things to my folder. You can also add those things. And now body. In this profile, so this is the profile and this is the profile card, and this is called introduction section. I mean, introduction section. Okay, this is called introduction section, and this is the project section. This all comes under this page, profile container.
One eternity later.
So we can see that we just spawn uh, the banner and the profile picture, also the badges and the main text. This thing, this thing. Okay. So CSS is definitely going to work in this. So we are back to the main part. So in here we need to use um, website for the icons, as we are not using this background icons. So we just need to go through the website called box icons. So we need to go through and search for Instagram and your social media accounts, and just click on some or the other thing you want to keep, and then you just need to keep it in the size of a web content or HTML in here. So just click it in HTML, and just you just need to paste it in here. See, you got it right. So this is how you need to do it. But before that, if we click the link, the icon, like how, let me show you. So in here, if I click the icon, I get redirected to the my Instagram account. So to do that, we just need to do one thing, which is called it's a your Instagram account in here. In my case, it is that thing. I'll just keep it, and then you need to do Instagram. Bete! Instagram, and then you just need to paste this thing. Instagram image, and then this a ends, and then that's it. So you get it in here. See, you got it right. That's it. And of course, we're gonna leave this thing. This Instagram is going to go up. After this, we just need to create another, which is called YouTube. Your YouTube channel in here, same as that thing, and YouTube channel link, and the button YouTube in here, and then the button. So these are nothing but these things. Okay, so this is what we created the text in here, connections. This is the contact information. Okay, this is the connections. So we are doing that. That's the reason this Instagram came over here, if you wonder why it came. Okay, and then just need to do the same thing. Go to this and YouTube. You got the YouTube in here. Copy the HTML, go through this thing, and paste it. That's it. The image. So we just did it. We'll come to this next thing over here, which is so you can keep another YouTube channel if you want. So this is the connection sections. In my case, I'm just keeping two over here, just two. And then now connections is all right. We go to the project section. So there's the contacts part, and then we'll go to footer. Footer is after India. That's it. The HTML part. See, just the HTML part. These are the two links, and this is the thingy, and this is the outline of the HTML code we have written till now. Okay, you see. Now it's time for CSS. Let's get into it. Okay, starting with the body, background image. Let me see. And then this is for dark background for contrast. Let me define it here. And the opposite. Okay. Background image is set. Point equals family, and now this will be changing. Okay. We'll remove this, and that's it. This is font style, and then background position, center, display, flex, and then background size will be cover, and then justify content will be center, align items, center only, margin will be 0. See, so default margin will be removed over here. Remove default margin. So let us see how this came. This thing, right? So yeah. See, the background has changed and background has been set. Okay. I used my default background for here. In my case, it is this thing. No, this thing. Yeah, this thing. Okay. Home dot. You see this, right? This thing is the background image. I kept it as home. Okay. And then we keep padding, which is 20 px. Okay. So we just for adding the padding. Wow. Adding the padding around the body. Now we go to profile container. And then display flex as usual, flex direction column, and then align item center. That's it. And now badge image on image. Okay, this will be display inline, and then width will be 40 px, and then height will be automatic order, and then this is badge, yeah, badge 2 image, and then display inline, width same as this 40 px, and then height also auto. That is done. Profile content, play, 100%, and then max width is 1200% px. Yeah, and then we just need to do the other thing, which is called profile card. Profile card means this background thing. You see this one. This is the profile box. This is the profile card. And then we do it. Flex will be 2, and then margin towards right is 20 px. Yeah, and then dot projects. We are coming to project session, which is this whole part, and then color white, background will be this color to make it transparent look, and 1A, 1E, 1A, C9, which is this thing. So I'm adjusting this according to the banner size. I got this in the banner size only, but you just need to cut the banners and adjust the size in here using this banner. So 10px. Okay, guys, I just okay, guys, I just completed a review part. It took me 5 minutes after that. Let's continue the other thing. I'm defining everything over here, so you can just see it after the video. I mean, after I um, you know, continue telling you, explaining you about this thing.
One eternity later.
Okay, guys, now it's time where the adjustment of screen to screen happens. Now we need to use the media thing, and only screen and max 768 68 pics, and then we just need to, for mobile phones, this profile content will be flex direction column, and then the profile header will be same as this profile thing, flex direction column, but for profile card width will be 100%, and then projects will be text align center, and then the icon will be so this is the CSS for the thing, and the animation will be here. Where, where is the animation? Okay, this is the animation thing on hover. Okay, wherever this comes, that is the animation of the button logo, and then invite button on hover. This is buy me a coffee thing, and contacts. Of course, buy me a coffee is not there. I didn't even include it. So that's it. We'll take a look of this. Okay, so here is your connections and banner, and now it's time to adjust this. CSS is perfect. I mean, not perfect yet. This is the completed thing, and this is the old thing. We just need to decrease the size of this, and then we just need to uh, merge both of this, as this comes under this container and this comes over here. So let's go to it. So okay, guys, I have redone the code again. So the the thing why that came is I forgot to keep the classes here, and like I'm saying that the class is here, but here the class should be there, and over here the class should be there. Also, wherever you keep the containers, this container and this container. Okay, profile container. Also, the connections, which is okay. This got updated. You see, this is profile Tony, and this is this one. So let me show you. I just redid the whole code. I mean, updated the whole code. I just updated the whole code again. Okay, like I just removed this name. I kept your name in here, but I kept Tony here. To show you, let me show you this. Your your website. And then here, you see. So this is for the icon of your website, which comes over here. And then the classes we forgot to mention. You see, there is a class over here. I forgot to keep this in the last code, also in this buttons also this. Okay, so I just replaced them. Also in project session I forgot to do this class or this one, I don't know, I forgot, but I forgot to do this class. Okay, that's the problem. I just kept every of the, what do you mean, the icon and all. Also, I just re-edited the CSS because I kept the classes here, right? So I just re-edited the CSS code, and then the result is this. See, this is how in your phone it looks like, and this is in your browser. This acts accordingly with your all, you know, mm, what is it? Devices. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Also, join the Discord, which is given in the below. Also, for the source code, you just need to go into description and join the server, or you can buy it from the buy me a coffee thing. I'll leave the description. I will leave the link in the description. You can buy it. It is very cheap. It is just $1. Okay, or you can get it free from the Discord. Join it and get it free. That's it. Also, for those who guys stayed for last, and this is for you, this is Netlify. So you can just post your three websites for free forever. Okay, you can host your three websites for free in here. Even I use this thing for hosting my official, I mean, the my profile page. See, you can customize your name in here, but the domain will be of them. So get get there fast and get your Netlify account soon and host your free websites for free forever.